Students, I wanted y'all to look at something that is in your multimedia textbook. You can actually download the Wolfram CDF player, and I think if you just click on, let me minimize this so you can see, I'm on page 447, this little figure right here, there's a part A and a part B. If you just click on that, since if you don't have the Wolfram CDF player yet, it'll prompt you to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all. I already have it pulled up. This is a really good interactive figure because it'll show you the actual graph that's been rotated. And I'm going to unclick the surface and unclick the region. Oops. Let's just start. We'll start with the regular old x-axis. Alright, if you click region, that's going to show you, here's your graph, your curve, and this is the region that's going to be rotated. Alright, and if you go back, click this rotate, put it back at the beginning. I'll leave the division width like that, and then click your surface, and then click your discs. Alright, and now let's click rotate. Alright, so if you do it kind of slowly, it's going to make it rotate around that x-axis. Alright, so you can see you have all your discs now. Added up, of course, that's going to give you the volume. And then if you go on here, you can actually rotate your graph and turn it different ways. So now you can see your circles that you have, and you see what your radius is. Your radius is just going to be the y value, which is f of x. So if you're rotating around the x-axis, I can even turn it that way. Not sure which way it was supposed to be originally. Probably this way. Okay, so if you see, you're rotating around the x-axis, then you're looking at slices that are adding up on the x-axis, and so your limits are going to be all x limits. So you're integrating from some number to another number, whatever your your a and your b are for this particular graph. And also your radius is going to be that y value, which is y is f of x. So everything is in terms of x. Okay, so you can play around with this. It's really neat. There's another one. I'm going to go ahead and click on the second interactive figure. Okay. Uh-oh. Well, I don't know what's wrong with that one. It says it's not found. Let me click on this little icon and see. Well, let's just click rotatable graphs. Here's another sample. That one's not coming up. Okay, let's click go. Alright, so it lists all the figures there. So that was figure 7.14. Alright, it just gives me the same one. But anyway, let's go back and look. So anywhere you see that in the book, you can click on it, download that software, and be able to look at the rotatable graphs. So it's pretty cool.